That's right, the PEG2, the PEZ Information Gathering. The second one will be on March 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 2020 in Cincinnati, Ohio. Yes, this variation of the unconventional convention will have wonderful things like a show and tell, where you can bring your favorite PEZ item and you can discuss it, ask questions about it, and learn more, or teach the group. We're going to be doing forums, one on errors, another one to be determined. We have a lot of fun games, all kinds of prizes, and a special mystery box. So be sure to check out the PEG2, a variation of the unconventional convention. Mark your calendar, March 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 2020, and be sure to register www.thepigevents.com. That's right, we do a lot of them, so it's www.thepigevents.com. We'll see you at the PEG2!